Dumelang bagolo le basha. So today let's make some pizza, and as you can see ke the ingredients tsa ka tsela. I got pizza base ke rekile ko Checkers, and then Russian yaka le tomato sauce I bought it ko Makuleng, and I have Norox that I got from Spar. I've got some chili that I got from Spa, and kinale mozzarella cheese that I got from Waterloo, Kosan Village. So I decided let me make some pizza for my crew. Ke bana ba ka ba ntwa ya ma 2K, so I have to give them a treat once in a while. So I decided let me make them some pizza. So I decided I'd take my pizza base, water, tomato sauce, we paste all around. Make sure you paste it all over. And then the tomato paste is for holding all the ingredients that are coming on top. So after then I decided like I say soya beans yaka, then sieve. So we removing the powder, and then resala ka namanyana ya teng ele. So you pour it in a cup, and then tshela metsinyana after. Yeah, ke soya beans fale ke intsha powder, and then after ke ntshitse powder, soya beans is going to be replacing mincemeat. So you can use this one, got anything, you can use mincemeat or anything. So I just took my Russian and I took my soya beans in the microwave just to put it in a softinyana, and then so I decided let me cut my chilies. You slice your chilies, or slice a chilies ya gago gore in to do. Okay, so don't mind my voice. It's just this one is my first video, so I'm gonna be posting regularly. So Luena, you can suggest what you want to see me. So to prove a point that each and everything we rekang go di shopong o ka kgona go ikeletsa ka mo ntlong. So you don't need to go to town for you to taste pizza. You don't need to go to town for you to be able to eat anything. You can do it at the comfort of your own home. You can do it from wherever you are staying. So I decided after I give futumaza, mincemeat yaka, soya beans yaka, I spread it on top of the sauce. You spread your soya beans evenly on top of the sauce. So in another tip, you can also do 2 flavors in one pizza. I'm gonna be doing it on another video. We can do pizza, you can do pizza pie with the same thing, these ingredients that we are using right now. Yeah, so we decided to let's use mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese, the famous cheese that is used in pizza, especially go Romans, go Debonese, something like that. Leona, it's not that expensive. If you buy it, maybe you can do more than 10 pizzas. You're just doing it for yourself. Then waitela mozzarella leone itlale around. It depends on you or other cheese how, like at what extent. So we tell according to the way we ratang ka teng. And also that same mozzarella cheese, you can create it wa ikeletsa yona ka mo ntlong ka di ingredients tse o na leng tsone mo ntlong. So you are able, re tla etsa video e nngwe gape in the near future gore re etsa yang mozzarella cheese ka mo ntlong. I understand. So batho ba bantsi, you can start this as a business. Ra bona gore mo Phatsima a gona the outlets like bo fast food outlets ke disphatlo fela, a gona for go rekisiwang di-burger, a gona for go rekisiwang di-pie, a gona ko go rekisiwang di-pizza. So you can make your own, o ikeletse wena o le one, and then you can start a business if o bona gore le wena you are becoming perfect in this thing, wa bona. So the best thing to do is to train yourself. O leke ka mo ntlong, reka fela, just o ska ba stingy man. Reka, o try dilo le wena o bone gore okay ke na le bokgoni ba go etsa this thing, and then you can do it as a business. O etse ntho e ratang ka fa e go tsenyetsa something, understand. Re ska emela gore di-CV what mmereko. Yes, we know gore mmereko a sokodisa, but what talent do you have? Whatever that you love cooking, you love washing clothes, you love go cleana ka mo ntlong, you love that. Everything that you love can be a business nowadays. So berekisa tlhaloganyo, le wena o etse something o ka e etsang, o change bophelo ba gago. Stop waiting for government, stop waiting for people to give you donations. Try something, do something, le wena wa tlhaloganyo. So after pouring my mozzarella, and then pour what we call my chili slices, then now I'm laying my chili, I'm laying my sliced Russian. Okay, so it's up to you. You can use Russian, you can use bacon, you can use whatever kind of meat that you want, chicken strips, you can use chicken hearts, you can use chicken gizzards, you can use, like, when it comes to pizza, you have to be creative and do whatever that you want, as long as it's pizza. As long as there's cheese, it's pizza. It can be just cheese pizza without anything added, or it can be cabbage pizza. Yeah, we have to experiment. Re ska tlogela dilo mo makgoweng everything, gore re ithuta ka makgowa, re ithuta ka makgowa. Le wena tsoga, etsa something, be creative. Go nne le something e startilweng ko wena, wa understand. Go nne le something e creatilweng ko wena from your own mind. Use your brain and start doing something. Stop crying gore poverty eng ra sotlega. Go sotlega ko wena o go bitsang, ko wena o startang, wa understand. Yeah, so now let's take our pizza inside, deep inside the oven, and then you leave for around 10 to 20 minutes. Depends on how you want it. After wa e bona le wena ke pizza, wa e tlhaloganya, ke pizza e le re itlwaetseng. Nka be le ko Romans, nka bontshitse bo ma 70 rand, ma 80 rand for something that you can do at home, mahala, with just the ingredients. Very cheap, affordable. So with that price of buying a pizza ko bo Romans or Debonairs, you can use it to buy ingredients that can make you 10 pizzas. Wa e tlhaloganya? Hey, so take yourself seriously and try new things. Use whatever ingredients that you have in the house. Create something, cook something. Wa tlhaloganya? Yeah. Here's my pizza, as you can see. Ke yole boso. Wa e ja pizza. Ke yole, lihle.